morning. My name is Kelsey Mansbray. I'm here at a property in Southwind. I'm with EXP Realty, and we're looking at this beautiful house in the area. This house is actually listed at $795,000. This property has over 5,000 square feet. There's a lot of space. It's a wonderful place to call home. The backyard is huge. Literally, it seems like a park. A great place for individuals with pets or family or young children. It's a wonderful home, and of course, it's in a wonderful area with the TPC Southwind Golf Course Clubhouse, just a few minutes away. So I'm gonna tour the place so you can see the exterior. All right, so you step inside of this lovely house here on Fairwood Cove. You see the staircase at the door and a nice sitting area. And then also you notice right to your right is the dining area and den. And so this is a wonderful open floor plan with lovely chandeliers in the dining area that opens up to the living area. So you see the hardwood floors here, very welcoming and inviting. We move further from the den and dining area, and we proceed into the kitchen. You see it has plenty of pantry space, even a bar sitting area, an additional bar at the island in the kitchen. You see all the cabinets here, and basically a chef's kitchen. So this is wonderful for the family and the person in the family that loves to cook. You see the stainless appliances. And then you move forward into the den sitting area, which is wonderful. And that flows right out to the patio here. There's plenty of space out here in the backyard. The backyard is serene. It just seems like a park in itself. It's a perfect place for grilling, to host birthday parties for the kids, and even have friends over in the evening. You can sit at the fire pit and just enjoy yourselves over good conversation. It has a nice walkway here, just a lot of space. This house sits on a half an acre of land. See all the space out here. If you have pets, this is a great place for them to enjoy too. You can have your own park in your backyard. This house is over 5,000 square feet, and it sits on 0.69 acres. So that gives you an idea of the amount of space here at this property at Fairwood Cove in Southwind. So we move forward. You see there's a guest bathroom here, right out from the dining room, kitchen, and den. And then it leads into the laundry room that has a sink, shelving in the closet, and also plenty of cabinets. So now we're going to pass the living room, and we're going to walk towards the home office. So there's a full bathroom here. And then we walk into the office here. This can certainly be turned into a bedroom by adding a door if preferred. But currently this home has, the home sellers have used this space as a home office. And then next door to the home office is the master suite. So we walk into the master suite, and there is so much space here, as you can see. Enough space that you can add a sofa or more chairs to just relax, curl up with a good book and enjoy your space. And there's also a door that leads out to the backyard space. And you might have already noticed that there's plenty of windows for natural lighting to shine into all of the rooms. See the lovely chandeliers. I mean, this is just a lovely place to call home. You walk into the master suite. Once again, there are marble floors here and space for storage. You see that there's also his and hers sinks, walk-in shower, a large tub, and walk-in closets, deep walk-in closets, with a powder room or powder area for the lady. And then you walk forward and there's an additional closet too for the gentleman. So plenty of shelving, plenty of space. Just a wonderful place to call home. So now we're going to walk over to the other side of the house. And this house has a 3-car garage. And next to the 3-car garage is also another room for guests entertaining, or it can just be a bonus room or playroom. There's another bedroom. With plenty of space. Plenty of closet space. And then here's another room for a child or another family member. To another office space. This is actually located upstairs. There's also a lot of storage space up here too with shelves. So that's awesome. Move forward and this house leads into the theater room. So this is really, really nice. Be able to snuggle up with family or even invite friends over just to watch movies and entertainment. And then you see there's also a sitting area or a place for you to curl up with a good book. All right, so let's move forward. We've already seen the two guest or the guest slash children bedrooms. And there's closet space throughout. there's additional closet space too. And we're back at the front of the house with the voltage ceiling and chandeliers.